Hi guys, and welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be breaking down this AR-15 and cleaning it. We're going to be using some products sent to us from Shooter Lube. They are today's video sponsor, so huge shout out to them. They sent over some military grade cleaning solvent, along with some extreme weapons oil. So we're going to be testing both of those out, cleaning it with the solvent, and then putting some oil before we put that back together. Shooter Lube was also nice enough to give me a discount code, so if you use the code ZAC10 at checkout, you can save some money. Helping me make this video today testing out the Shooter Lube is my friend Connor. He runs the local gun shop in my town. He also runs a channel called PewTube. I'll have that linked in the description below if you wanted to check him out. This was the first time me or Connor had used Shooter Lube, so he did a test here where he compared Shooter Lube on one side to one of the cleaning agents they had at the shop that they use and sell. This product's being made in the USA. I had high hopes, and they met those expectations. To say this gun needed a good cleaning would be an understatement. My friend Connor shoots a lot on the weekends. He put more than 1,000 rounds down this since the last cleaning, and he told me it was getting a little bit sluggish. If you go to the Shooter Lube website, you could get the Shooter combo, which is going to have the solvent and the oil, or you could just buy the oil, just buy the solvent, depending on what you need. First step, of course, is going to be cleaning everything with the solvent, getting all the grime, getting all the carbon built up off, and then once you do that, you're going to be using the oil to lube everything back up. This is also military grade cleaning solvent, so it passed all the military testing. It's going to have high standards. I would say one of the biggest pros of using Shooter Lube is the product is odorless. So if you're using this in the garage, if you're using this in the house, it's not going to stink up your workplace. It's not going to stink up your gun safe. This product also has no water, it fully evaporates, it leaves no residue, has no hazardous ingredients per the EPA, has a high flashpoint, it's non-corrosive, it does not freeze, and it's non-flammable. My first impression is this product seems pretty solid, did a great job cleaning. Once we lubed everything up, everything was moving smooth. In the description below, I will have a link to their website so you can check out all of their products and all of their bundles. Be sure to use the discount code ZAC10 so you save a little bit of money. Now, taking a quick look at the Extreme Weapons Oil, this is going to be non-flammable, biodegradable, non-toxic, 100% synthetic, low odor, non-staining, rust and corrosion protection, and reduces wear of friction. If you've made it this far in the video, smash that like button. It really does help the channel grow. If you haven't already, consider subscribing if you like gun and outdoor content. We have a lot of videos planned. We're going to be cleaning a lot of guns, testing out a lot of gun products. But if you have any video suggestions, leave those in the comments below, and I'll try to make a video for you. Huge shout out to Shooter Lube for sending over this product, and an even bigger shout out to you for watching it to the end. I'll see you guys in the next video. This is a sneak peek of a video coming out this month. We're testing out the Mantis system, shooting a laser bullet at the target, tracked by a phone. It's going to be a cool video. Make sure you hit the little bell so you get a notification when this video pops out. Hey Joel.
What?
Need a snack?
No.